Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to make a project on the wood lathe. I'm nostalgic about this because it was the first project that I learned how to make many years ago when I first got the wood lathe. It's a honey dipper, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. I just finished up the honey dipper. This was a fun project, brought back a lot of good memories of when I was first learning how to do wood turning. They say that the honey dipper is a project that you can do 100% with a skew. I'm not that good with a skew, I will admit. I keep getting the catches and the kickbacks and scrapping material. I don't want to bore you with those learning curves, but maybe you can help me out with tips and tricks along the way in the comments and help me improve for future projects. I want to give a quick shout out to my friend Brian for providing the white oak that I used for this project. And until next time, thanks for watching.